I really just wanted to show you the long lengths and the short lengths because I don't want any confusion when you guys purchase your curly hair. So this is a 14-inch curly bundle. This is raw Indian curly hair. Notice how the curl pattern is tight. Also notice how it's more of like a spiral ringlet type of curl, more so than a tight kinky curl. I cannot give you a tighter curl than this. Mind you, this is raw Indian hair. Like, I do not, it's not processed. So no, I cannot provide you any other type of curl. Now, honestly, I can't even provide you this same curl pattern every time just because everybody's hair is different and each bundle comes from one specific donor. Now, when you look at this, I get a lot of women that'll tell me the longer curly lengths are not as tight as the shorter lengths. So this is a 14-inch raw Indian curly bundle. And this is an 18-inch raw Indian curly bundle. Notice how it is not as tight as the 14-inch. That is because with longer lengths, the curly hair will not be as tight. Expect looser curls with longer lengths. This is an 18-inch, okay? Now, although it does have a slight wave to it, the ends still give you the same spiral curl effect, okay? It is still curly hair, however, it is just not as tight as this. So if you're looking for something like this, I would advise and I would recommend lengths 14 to 16, okay? When it comes to something a little bit more lax, a little bit more loose, I would recommend 18 and longer. But you will not, it is very rare that you will get this and longer lengths, and if I ever do come across that, I will definitely let you guys know so that you can pick from it. But at the time being, I have yet to find longer lengths that resemble this type of curl. And I just want you guys to know so that when you purchase, you aren't confused as to why it's not as tight as what you see. Because I do post a lot of shorter length pictures on Instagram, more so because I'm a fan of the shorter curly length. But this is what to expect. Now, both of these bundles were washed yesterday. They are not 100% dry. They are probably on the, I would say, around like 85 to 90% dry. And this is the result of that.